Don't go down now. Please make me,
The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Godwin Emefiele, on Tuesday pleaded not guilty before a federal high court, Lagos State, to a charge of illegal possession of firearms brought against him by the Ministry of Justice. Earlier, Emefiele arrived at the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos for his alleged gun possession trial. The embattled Apex Bank's chief arrived before lawyers arrived to stand trial on a 2-count charge of possessing a single-barrel shotgun without a license. He was arraigned on 2-count charge bordering on unlicensed possession of firearms. In other reports, a federal high court in Lagos State has granted bail to Godwin Emefiele, suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, in the sum of 20 million naira. In a ruling on Tuesday, Nicholas Nwibo, the presiding judge, said the charges against Emefiele are bailable. The bail was granted with one surety in like sum. Earlier, Emefiele pleaded not guilty to the 2-count charge bordering on alleged illegal possession of firearms.
Don't go down now. Please make me, Don't go down now. Please make me,